Hi guys and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to redeem Roblox gift card codes on mobile in 2023. To start this tutorial, open and locate your internet browser in your mobile device. Once you are here, wait for the website to load. You're gonna go to roblox.com and then proceed to redeem a code. Once we are here on the website, we're just going to redeem the code now. Now let's wait for it to finish loading. Once you are in Redeem Roblox Codes, all you have to do is type in the code in this bar over here. Go ahead, take your time. I won't be sharing my code. This one's just an example code, but once done, click on Redeem. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, leave a comment as well.